Imagine starting an AI business today with zero money, zero coding skills, and no prior experience, and turning it into a money-making machine in months. Sounds impossible. It's not. I've been in business for 28 years, built AI companies that make millions every year, and launched a new one nearly every month. Today, I'm going to show you the exact 8 steps I'd take to start an AI business from scratch in 2026, step by step, actionable, no fluff. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find the pain, build the solution, get paid, and scale faster than you ever imagined. Step number 1, find a painful problem. We have to start with the pain, not the idea. Most people fall in love with their solution or product before understanding whether anyone actually needs it. If you don't find someone who goes, "Ouch, that really hurts," when you press on the pain point, they won't spend money to solve it. Most people focus on products that are nice to have, not must-haves. Vitamins instead of painkillers. If you find real pain, you can make a lot of money. People generally pay for 4 things to make more money: save time, save money, or to look good, status. Find a pain that delivers one of those outcomes, and you have the beginning of a business. Here's how you find it. Build what I call your frustration list. Start noticing all the small problems around you, the little inefficiencies, the frustrations people accept as normal. Most people dismiss them. Don't. Those are the opportunities. Start by calling experts or people in your niche. Ask them about their pain points. When you hear the same frustration from 10 people in a row, congratulations, you've found something real. Now, shape your solution around their needs. When you call them, say something like, "I've been talking to people like you, and here's what they've told me. Does this resonate with you?" When they say yes, you're on the right track. Validate that this is a growing problem in a growing market. Ideally, pair it with AI. Start with the problem, then think about how AI can solve it. This is the difference between a generic product and a breakthrough AI solution. Step number 2, solve the problem manually. Yes, I said manually. Forget automation for a second. If you want to learn fast and deeply, get hands-on. Most successful tech companies, including AI tools, started this way. Shopify, FreshBooks, Basecamp, they first solved the problem manually before building software to automate it. The manual approach allows you to talk to customers, understand the workflow, and get feedback while generating revenue. For example, one of my companies, Precision, started by analyzing client data manually, consulting them on the best actions, and using those insights to build a product roadmap. By the time the software launched, they already had paying customers and a validated solution. Here's how you do it. Create a 1-page done-for offer. Include 4 elements: the problem, the outcome, the timeline, and the investment. Keep it simple. For example, one of our portfolio companies, your Atlas.com, uses AI to replace a team member answering calls and booking meetings. A simple offer could read, replace a full-time receptionist, eliminate missed opportunities, and turn every ad click into a book call in 30 days for $2,500 a month. Once you have this, you can start generating revenue while learning. And if you want my exact offer template, I've given it away for free. Just check the link in the description. Step number 3, build a clickable prototype. Stop thinking about building a full product from day one. That's the fastest way to waste hundreds of thousands of dollars and months of your life. Most people make the mistake of jumping straight into development, hiring engineers, or trying to perfect every feature before they even know if anyone will actually use their product. That approach rarely works. Instead, the smart move is to start with a prototype. A prototype is not a final product. It's a simplified, testable version of your idea that allows you to validate whether your solution actually solves the problem your customers have. The first step in prototyping is to map out the flow of your solution. This can be on paper, a whiteboard, or digitally on your iPad or computer. Think about how your AI will interact with users. What is the experience like from start to finish? How does someone start using it, get value, and achieve the result they want? Don't just think about features, think about outcomes. Focus on the steps that matter most and the friction points your AI is solving. Keep in mind that the future of AI tools is moving toward voice and phone-driven interfaces. People don't want to click through endless menus or enter data manually. They want instant results. The simpler and faster you can make the workflow, the better. Once you've mapped the flow, it's time to create a fast, clickable prototype. Tools like Figma, UX Pilot, A, or Vasily. A can take your design and make it look and feel like a real product in minutes. Your prototype doesn't need to work perfectly. It just needs to demonstrate the concept and show value. After that, take it to your early customers. Walk them through the prototype, record their reactions, and ask for feedback. The goal is validation, not perfection. One friend of mine skipped this step entirely and spent $2 million building software that never launched. Don't make that mistake. By starting with a prototype, you can learn faster, pivot when necessary, and save time, money, and frustration. Prototype first, validate early. That's the key to launching a successful AI product. Step number 4, validate the prototype with cash. A business isn't real until someone pays you. Forget nice words, reality is in the transaction. The moment a customer hands over money, you've validated your idea. This principle is true for AI, consulting, or any product. Here's how you do it. Create an early adopter program or a founding 50 Group, present your prototype, explain the problem and your solution, and invite a small group of early adopters to prepay for the service. Offer them early access at a discounted rate, frame it as co-creation, and emphasize the value they're getting before anyone else. Pre-selling gives you cash to build, feedback to iterate, and a group of invested users who want to see you succeed. Every AI business I've launched followed this principle: sell first, build later. The riskiest assumption isn't the tech, it's whether people actually want it. Step number 5, build the MVP and automate with AI. Once you have paying customers, it's time to replace the manual work with AI. You already know the workflow, it's time to scale. Don't overbuild features. Focus on the core solution that solves the validated pain point. Use AI to handle the tasks you were doing manually. Automate the most repetitive or time-consuming parts first, then expand gradually based on feedback from your paying customers. The goal is a minimum viable product that delivers real value. Remember, AI is a tool, not a gimmick. Start with the problem, then use AI to make it smarter, faster, and more reliable. This approach is why some of the biggest AI products succeed. They solve real problems first, then layer AI on top. Step number 6, launch, market, and grow. With your MVP ready, it's time to get the word out. Focus on highly targeted marketing. Reach the people who already told you they have the problem. Use your early adopters for testimonials and case studies. Remember, you don't need massive campaigns at first. One-on-one outreach, LinkedIn messages, industry forums, and email lists work just as well when starting. Make the benefits obvious, save time, make more money, reduce errors, or boost status. Show how AI uniquely solves the pain. Growth comes from a combination of customer success, testimonials, and smart marketing. Keep iterating your messaging based on what converts and resonates. Step number 7, refine and expand the product. Once your MVP is live and generating revenue, keep improving. Use data from real users to identify bottlenecks, additional pain points, or new features. Don't try to build everything at once. Focus on incremental improvements that increase value and retention. Also consider adjacent problems in the same niche. Can AI solve other pain points for the same customers? This allows you to expand without starting from scratch. You're creating an ecosystem of AI solutions that reinforce each other. Now that your product works, your customers pay, and your AI automates the workflow, it's time to turn your business into a machine. Most entrepreneurs fail here. They do everything themselves. Map every repeatable process: sales, onboarding, AI workflows, reporting, customer support. Document SOPs, create checklists, and automate what you can. AI can also be your internal workforce, handling repetitive tasks, generating insights, or even helping with customer support. Measure metrics relentlessly: revenue per user, churn, acquisition costs, usage patterns. Use AI to predict trends, identify inefficiencies, and suggest improvements. Scaling isn't about working harder, it's about building smarter. When done right, steps 1-7 give you a successful AI business. Step A ensures it can handle 10x, 50x, or 100x growth without collapsing. You're no longer trading time for money, you're creating a self-sustaining, high-leverage system that generates wealth while you focus on innovation and new opportunities. So there you have it, 8 steps to starting a successful business from scratch in 2026, even without money, coding skills, or prior experience. Find a painful problem, solve the problem manually, build a clickable prototype, validate with cash, build the MVP and automate with AI, launch, market, and grow, refine and expand the product, systematize and scale. Follow these steps and you'll avoid the traps that destroy most AI startups. You'll save money, time, and frustration, and more importantly, you'll create real value for paying customers who can't wait to throw money at your solution. If you take this seriously and follow it step by step, there's no ceiling to what you can achieve. Remember, AI isn't the future, it's right now, and those who act fast, smart, and strategic will dominate the next decade. Now go find a painful problem, start solving it today, and use these 8 steps to launch your first AI business this year.